And eto na nga, we are back in Paris here at the Arc de Triomphe, and we are here to watch the French Open here in Stade Roland Garros, dito po sa Paris. At bubungad sa iyo, papasok sa banitong statue ni Rafael Nadal at meron din silang mini tennis court para sa mga fans na gustong manood ng mga games dito sa Paris. And one of the main reasons why we actually went to Roland Garros today is to see and watch and cheer for our very own Alexandra Ayala playing in her third qualifying round match against Julia Riera of Argentina. So pag nanalo po dito si Alex, pasok na po siya sa main draw ng French Open, which is history in the making po para sa Pilipinas as the first Filipina tennis player to reach a main draw of a Grand Slam. Pinaging maganda ang umpisa ni Alex Ayala dito sa larong ito. Agad po lumamang ng 4-0 ang kanyang kalabang taga-Argentina. Pero agad ang pong bumawi ng 6 consecutive games si Alex upang may panalong first set, 6-4. Sa simula ng second set, agad kumuha ng break si Alex Ayala upang lumamang ng maaga sa second set. Pero hindi pa rin nagpahuli at lumaban hanggang sa dulo itong kanyang kalaban upang kunin ang second set sa isang tiebreak. Sa third set naman, maagang lumamang ang kanyang kalaban, ngunit hindi pa rin natinag si Alex at nagmindikit ang laro. And maganda po ang pwesto natin while watching this game. Nasa likod lang po tayo ng mga players while they are serving. And kitang-kita po natin, we have a good view of the rallies, of the exchanges that these players are doing while inside the court. And minalas lang po si Alex na hindi po niya napitan yung game. Pero kitang-kita po naman ang kanyang brilyo at galing. Pinanood ko po si Alex Ayala dito hanggang patapos po ang kanyang laro. And I was really impressed na kaya niya makipagsabayan sa mga world-class professional tennis players out there. And hindi po na it will take some time and she will finally crack probably the World Top 100 and she can play and fight for the Grand Slams. So she has still lots to improve on, but like this point, she's very clever. Lipat naman tayo sa ibang court and we see my other idol, former world number 1, Miss Karolina Pliskova from the Czech Republic. And grabe, super tangkad at super lakas pumalo nito. And we went into to see the practice of other players dito sa main court, Court Philippe Chatrier. And first up is Stefanos Tsitsipas ng Greece, laban kay Alejandro Davidovich Fokina ng Espanya. And they are practicing ahead of the main draw dito po sa Court Philippe Chatrier sa Paris. Sumunod naman po sa kanila, another top players in Andrei Rublev ng Russia and Alexander Zverev ng Germany na fine-tuning their skills and shots before the main draw starts. And dito nga po ang view ng buong court, ng buong stadium. More practice shots from Rublev and Zverev. And kitang-kita mo naman kung na ang dalawan ng mga top players in the world dito po sa French Open. Super sarap ng sa pakiramdam na we're able to witness these players play before their actual matches start. And also, sa labas po, the draw is starting for the main draw ng men's singles. So makikita na kung sino yung mga kalaban, who plays against who, and there are exciting first-round matches up there. Tikita din po natin sa practice courts ang mga future tennis prodigies na sina Mira Andreeva at Anna Kalinskaya, both from Russia, doing the final touches ahead of the main draw. And we're also lucky to get inside Court Susan Lenglen to watch a men's tennis qualifying match. Isa po ito sa mga main show course dito po sa Roland Garros. And finally, we went to the main court to see the solo practice of the current world number 1, Iga Swiatek of Poland. Siya po ang overwhelming favorite para madepensahan ng kanyang tito dito po sa French Open sa Paris. And that's it, everyone. See you next year.